Hello students, in this video today we are discussing about electric field due to a dipole on an equatorial line. Considering two charges, this is positive charge, this one is negative charge. Now this is the line joining segment. This point is O and this point O is separated equidistance between the two charges. ಹೌದಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓ. ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಹೌದಾ, ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ angle theta. Distance between positive q to o andre that is a, o2 minus q andre a. Total distance 2a. ಹೌದಾ, next these are shows the electric field. This is e2 sin theta, vertically upwards. This one is vertically downwards. Vertically upwards andre that is sine angle, considering as sine angle. These are the e2 cos theta and e1 cos theta. We have to calculate the distance between positive charge to p ಅಥವಾ a point b point, a to p and b to p. ಹೌದಾ, so we are using the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. AP square, hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, this one is the base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, it's nothing but a point to p point. AP square is equals to L square plus R square. AP square is, see here AP square is there. I am cancelling the square and we are L square plus R square is written with the square root. Okay, so see here, so this distance is considering as R square plus L square. It is also same, R square plus L square. Okay, now we are going to, and now I am writing the derivation. See here, E1 electric field 1, that is equals to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, K value ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next square root of distance R square plus L square along PA, ಅಂದರೆ it's P point to A point. Next we have to write P point to B point. So E2 is equals to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught distance R square plus L square. This is along the BP point, B point to P point. ಹೌದಾ, next net electric field intensity. So E is equals to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. Now we have to write these two equations, because E1 and E2 electric field 1 and E2 reverse in the two components, vertically components, that is E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta are cancel each other. It's nothing but in this case electric field is reverse, two components of the vertical components, although it may be upward and downward. So E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. E1 cos theta plus E cos theta andre it's nothing but 2E cos theta. We will get 2E cos theta. Here, see here, 2 into E nothing but electric field equation. What is there? E Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square. Here remaining cos theta. Cos theta andre cos theta along P point to R point, along the PR ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. In right angle triangle, angle AOP, see here, AOP, this distance is considering as 90 degree. Alright, so cos theta is equals to base divided by hypotenuse, base divided by hypotenuse, that is base is considering as L ಅಥವಾ base is considering as A, sorry, the R plus A square, L square ಅಂದರೆ this is base is considering as L, so base is considering as L divided by R square plus L square half. See here, this is the hypotenuse, R square plus L square to the power half. Here electric field, it is a vector quantity, yes or no, 2 into Q, 2Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square, as it is same. Next here cos theta is there, so cos theta equation ಅಥವಾ cos theta value is R divided by R square plus L square to the power half. Here power is 1. So here 1 plus 1 by 2. Here LCM is 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 2 1. ಹೌದಲ್ಲಿ here 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. Here value is 3 divided by 2. So electric field is equals to 2QL divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square whole to the power 3 by 2. Here 2QL, it is equals to dipole moment equation, 2QL or 2QA. Here L and A, it's depend upon what you are considering the distance. So electric field is equals to 2QL equation, that is equals to dipole moment 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square 3 by 2. This is the equation for electric field due to a dipole on an equatorial plane.